What's the meaning of Armistice Day? Armistice Day. Armistice Day.
Armistice Day. Armistice Day. Armistice Day, also known as Remembrance Day or Veterans Day, is a public holiday observed in many countries on November 11 to commemorate the end of World War I. On this day in 1918, an armistice was signed between the Allies and Germany, effectively ending the war. The result of Armistice Day was the cessation of hostilities on the Western Front, marking the end of one of the deadliest conflicts in human history. Today, it is a day to honor and remember those who fought and died in the war and to promote peace.